Becoming a YouTube content creator involves several steps and requires dedication, creativity, and consistency. Here's a general guide to help you get started. Find your niche. Decide on the type of content you want to create. This could be anything from vlogs, tutorials, comedy sketches, gaming, educational content, beauty, or cooking. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Plan your content. Outline your video ideas and create a content calendar to keep yourself organized and ensure a steady stream of uploads. Get the right equipment. Invest in good quality recording equipment, such as a camera, microphone, and lighting, to ensure your videos have good production value. You can start with basic equipment and upgrade as you grow. Create and edit your videos. Shoot your videos according to your plan and then edit them using video editing software. There are free and paid options available, depending on your needs and budget. Optimize your channel. Pay attention to your channel's branding, including your channel name, logo, and banner. Write an engaging channel description and use relevant keywords to help viewers find your content. Upload consistently. Consistency is key on YouTube. Aim to upload videos on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Ask for feedback, and consider creating content based on your audience's interests and requests. Building a community around your channel is essential for growth. Promote your content. Share your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and participate in online communities to increase visibility and reach a wider audience. Analyze your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your video's performance and understand your audience's behavior. This data can help you make informed decisions about your content and marketing strategies. Monetization. Once you've built a substantial audience and meet YouTube's monetization requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning money from your videos through ads and other revenue streams. Stay motivated and committed. Becoming a successful YouTube content creator takes time and effort. Stay dedicated to your passion and consistently work on improving your content and engaging with your audience. Remember that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, persistence, and continuous learning to grow your channel and build a loyal audience. Keep creating content that you love, and don't be discouraged by initial slow growth. With patience and dedication, you can achieve your goals as a YouTube content creator.